Upwork is one of the top-rated freelancing platforms, which is losing its integrity day by day. You must be here because you received the notification from Upwork stating your account has been suspended. True? If you are one of the victims of this Upwork fraud, then there is little we can do in getting your profile reinstated. You are not the only one whose profile got suspended for no reason. Let me share my story with you. One fine morning when everything was fine, I opened my Upwork and was astonished to see that there is a notification on the notification bar stating that your account has been suspended. Please contact Upwork support. I knew it might be a technical glitch from Upwork, but still, I contacted Upwork support and asked them for the reason for the suspension. Their reply comes within 24 hours, but I was amazed that how such a big platform can't protect their seller from frauds and help the fraudulent clients. Upwork only gets paid from the commission of the order. So they try their best not to give away their commission, but try to take it from Upwork seller by reversing the amount to the client. I got this message from Upwork stating that one of my clients indulges in fraudulent activity, so they will verify both my and the client account. I had no problem verifying myself again, as I had verified myself before with documents and video call when I joined Upwork 1 year back. I accepted the Upwork verification request and verify myself again. My account was verified again, but then I received a notification from Upwork stating that payment has been reversed to client's billing method. That was strange because Upwork reversed the payment for many of my clients even when the order was completed and accepted by the client with a great review. I asked Upwork support that why they reversed the payments, and here is how they reply. It was very annoying that I need to wait till my fraudulent client complete his verification. Like seriously. If Upwork knows that client has been involved in fraudulent activity, then they are restricting buyer profile until they hear back from that client. Why would someone do that? I waited for some days and then texted Upwork support back that how much time it will take for the Upwork to verify the fraudulent client. And that's a gift I received from Upwork. They permanently deactivated my account for no reason at all. I asked them for the reason and they should tell the reason, but that's how they replied the violation were simply too serious and I'm not able to reverse this decision. I read forums and find out that I'm not the only one whose account got suspended for no reason by Upwork. So, it's clear to me that Upwork is doing fraud with the freelancers. They are capturing freelancers' data on account of verification, and when they receive their personal data, they suspend their Upwork profile. Upwork is the biggest scam freelancing platform of 21st century. All they need is your personal data, and they feel no shame in deactivating Upwork profile for no reason at all.